AB Nation, what's going on, y'all? Hey, y'all. I'm working on the deck. I told y'all we were going to be working on the deck, right? Real quick before we get into today's video, can't let y'all see too much. Remember, I'm working slow. I can't let y'all see too much. Can't let you see too much. Now, I know y'all want to see. Let me fix my camera up real quick. I got to make sure, I want you to be able to see me pretty, right? So make sure the camera was straight. So listen, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are Taylor's Pride Homestead, a small homestead here in Eastover, South Carolina. And y'all been seeing me do the renovations from day one. You've seen the chickens, you've seen the ducks, you've seen the cats, you've seen everything. You've seen the pool being installed, you've seen all of that. So I told y'all we were gonna work on the deck, right? So boom, we're back on the deck today. Let me show you what we, listen. Let me show y'all. Bam. Y'all see it? We've been working, man. You know, I haven't been doing any videos, kind of keeping it kind of private, you know, just wanted to work. I know a lot of people want to see stuff, man, but just been keeping it kind of private. You can see the pool is, yeah, right, pool is dirty because I've been working, you know. The videos y'all saw, yeah, it was kind of like August when I had the pool installed, but I just been slow motion, you know. Money was kind of tight for me, so I had to take my time and work on stuff. And so now we're finishing up the rails on the pools today. You know, I had to make these a little bit short because it was an angle bracket, but this is what the pool looks like. I can't let y'all see too much on the other side. I can't let y'all see too much. Can't let you see too much. Can't let you see too much. But this right here, so far is the pool rails. You know, you can see what it looks like. Me and my cousin working. So y'all saw in the video, we had the little ladder coming, the little stairs coming down. We've done the stairs here. I've done everything in composite decking, I did it for the long haul. I did it for the next owner of this place to enjoy. I did it for them. You know, hey, I don't know how long I'm going to be here on earth or in this physical location. So I did it to longevity. Spent the money for the composite wood. All this stuff I already had. I had this stuff stored up over a year ago, and it just took my time to get it done because, you know, like I said, funds were a little low, still are low. I'm unemployed right now. God's gonna open up a door, but y'all can see all this right here. Y'all can see it all. So today we're gonna be finishing up the rails. It's raining a little bit here in South Carolina. It's raining a little bit, but we back at work. Gonna finish this up today and knock this all out. So all this be done. I can't let y'all see anything else because, you know, I don't want you to see what's over here. It's some amazing stuff over there. So I'll have to do another video on that as well. I know the pool is dirty. I know the pool is dirty. I know my pool is dirty. I ain't worried about that because once we get this done, I'm actually going to change this liner in the pool. I don't really like that liner. I'm going to change this liner out. I'm going to go with a liner that has like the little decorations around the top part. So I'm going to change this out, but I'm going to wait till, you know, about 2 or 3 months from now before I do that, before it really gets warmer and the pool season begins. So that's why I'm not really cleaning it out because I know all this water got to come out of here. Now, I know, you know, y'all probably saying, well, man, it looks like it was so hot. I told y'all the pool videos, I've been saving that stuff because I just was kind of on the down low. You know, trying to get healed from mom's passing, you know, that was a very hard thing for me. My mom passing, I took that to heart, man. That thing kind of just messed me up. And so I just been recording videos, putting them in the archives, and then I was going to come back out a little bit later. And so that's where we are right now. Just, you know, just had to get myself together. Losing a parent today's my dad's birthday also. And so, you know, I had to just relax and just get my mind together so that I can do what I needed to do for my family. But we out here today, guys. Once again, we're completing the rails. We're getting ready to finish this up. We're getting ready to cut this stuff and put these rails up. So y'all will be watching this as we do this. You know, I appreciate y'all. I thank y'all for your encouraging words. It means a lot to me. I work hard for my community, man, and I want to keep blessing people. I just want to see God's hands of mercy keep doing what God does and how God blesses us. So y'all stay tuned, you know. Don't worry about the time frame. Just stay tuned, keep watching the videos, and watch your boy finish up our pool today. The rain done kind of stopped a little bit now, so we probably can go ahead and cut. can see, it's all, trying not to let y'all see too much. I don't want you to see too much because I need to put this in part sections and stuff. I need y'all to see this in sections, so I'm up top now, so y'all can see all the way out there. Pond. These two down here, quack, quack. Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Quack! Quack, quack! I see y'all. Yeah, they chilling on their water. Hey, Miss Brand, y'all always know who gonna be around me, right? This little girl right here. That's my little girl right there, right? I know I love you too. You love me? You do? You love me? Brand, do you love me? Okay, I love you too, mama. I love you, girl. It's my baby. That's my baby girl right there. That's my Brand, y'all. That's my Brand. All right, so giving y'all a tour. We've been working. I got to pressure wash everything. I'll tell you, I've been having this lumber and stuff here, and I bought that stuff 2 years ago. It's been sitting, I always try to plan things in advance. I try to plan and see things before it comes to fruition. So I'm always thinking, and, when I see things on sale, I'll buy it. When I was working at the sheriff department, and, I was, but when I had those accessible cash, and I can do that, now I don't have that. So I got to go slow motion, y'all. But y'all continue to keep your boy in prayer, man, that God's going to open the door, which I know he is. God is always taking care of me, and I know that God will continue to take care of me. That's the kind of God that I serve. Now, I don't know about you. Now, I'm not trying to get religious or nothing like that, but I'm just telling you, God has been good to me, baby. God has been really good. In spite of every difficulty, in spite of every challenge, every trial, God has not failed me yet. And I know he hasn't failed you either. So, we get ready to get back to work, guys. I just wanted y'all to see this. Like I said, don't worry about the pool. All that water is going to be coming out of there soon. We're going to be putting in a new liner. I'll have Bates Pool Construction Company be back up to my house. And they'll be doing all of that good stuff. You can see how I got all the pool ran. And then look, all I got to do is turn the switch on. It's unplugged right now, but just turn the switch on and the pool will run. But that's okay. We got work to do. So I'll be back, y'all, to let y'all see the finished product. Top rail, bottom rail. TP Nation, I'm gonna let y'all see the front, man. While he's cutting that, I'm gonna let y'all see the front. I redid my front to the place. I redid the place. Y'all remember when I put up the columns in the front of my house? Well, what I decided to do was change out that white, all that white in the front. I decided to change out all that white, and I put stones. Stones, like I did the stones in the front of my house. I did the stones on the columns as well. And so what I did was I took down the aluminum post, went and bought some 6x6 posts, took all that out, put the 6x6 post in, and then what I did was I had my stone guy to come and to stone the front of my entrance. So I'm gonna let y'all see that while he is cutting that stuff. Then I go back in the back of the yard. Got a little cold right now, but I'm still fighting it. So I'm gonna let y'all see the front, because what I just told y'all, I took out the brick columns. I didn't take out the brick columns, I just stoned the columns, and I stoned the front. So y'all remember when I stoned above my gable last year? So I'm gonna let y'all see that right now. All right, bam. Y'all see that, right? I did that part last year, and so I decided to stone up my columns. So I gotta stain that stuff, so don't worry about that. I gotta stain that, and then I'm actually going to I'm gonna stone all these steps as well. That's the next project we're going to do, is we're going to stone all this to make it look like that. So you can see I had brick columns, and my mason, he just stoned it up. He just stoned it up. Y'all see that? I copied off of that, and I added the stones to the front. And I got the 6x6 posts. I took down those white columns that was right there. I had all white columns. I took all that down. I kind of like this look a little bit better. So, yeah, I like that look a little bit better. I covered up all of my banana trees. I had a water breakage about 3 weeks ago. I had a water breakage. I had to dig all of this up. But I'm excited about this season. My palm trees that I planted, y'all seen me plant those. The frost got a hold of them, but that's all right. We know they'll be growing back again. So I'm excited to put some flowers out. I can't wait till the spring comes, man, so I can get those beautiful flowers and put in the yard. I just can't wait, y'all. I just can't wait to go get some plants and put in my yard. I didn't trim down my trees like I should have. I was being trifling. I planted grass seeds in my yard, and y'all look at the grass seeds. So nothing is growing. Look at the grass seeds right there. Grass seeds, and nothing has come up. We're gonna fix that. But I was trifling. I didn't take off all the stuff from around those elephant ears, and we can see we already got growth coming already. She about ready to start blooming, but I don't want that to happen because I gotta clean all this up. So I'm gonna get out here in a couple of days and clean all this mess up. And I gotta spray down some grass killer and all that stuff because the grass think it's gonna grow in here. I'm worried about these things right here because they kind of take over. I am worried about them. They take over. But I got to clean all of this up, and my elephant ears. Look at them. Oh, I didn't even see those. They are already starting to grow. Look at those gigantic ones. That's why I didn't cut them down, because I kind of wanted to wait. You know, this is my first time ever having elephant ears, and I wanted to make sure I didn't kill them first. But look, they are growing. I can see growth. Y'all see that? So, hey, we're going to have some nice elephant ears this season. The frost didn't really do this one too bad. Didn't do him too bad. So she's growing pretty good. But overall, man, it's going to be looking pretty good. It's going to be looking really nice. This one right here. Let's see. I know something's down in there. Yeah, I know it's in there. Yeah. Ooh, that's nasty. Yeah, that's a little nasty. Eek. Eek. That's nasty. That's nasty. But, yeah. And I got to put some rocks in here. So I'll be doing a lot of yard work in the next week or so, just to try to get this nice and pretty. I am going to drop this down a little bit more. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I don't know just yet, because I got to get that water to come out of my yard as it's been flowing. But that's where we are so far, guys. I'm going to get on in the back to help out Cuz, and so we can get this rails up today. And I'll come back with y'all so y'all can see the finished product. You can see it from here. You saw a little bit of mine. I didn't want you to see it. Can't show you that part yet. Can't show you that part yet. Here on Taylor's Pride Homestead. Hey, I love y'all. I'll be back. Y'all stay tuned. All right, TP Nation. The railing has been done, y'all. There it is. The pool is now complete. The railing, and guess what, y'all? I felt so bad with my first video. I turned the water on, so I'm filling up the pool. I'm gonna run the filter and everything so I can clean my pool up, because I don't hear none of y'all mouth. That dirty pool, that dirty pool. But I actually got the water faucet on right now. I'm running some water in. Let's see if I can get it to start filtrating right now. Let's check it out. Let's see. But our rails is done now. Let's turn this on. No. She's still not ready to start sucking just yet. She's still not ready. Pool's got to be filled up some more. I can't let y'all see what behind me, because I can't let y'all see that yet. You got to wait for that video. Might be a little crusty, but that's all right. I'm outside working. Working on the homestead, baby. I'm working on the Taylor's Pride Homestead, baby. God is good. So I want to let y'all see the finished product. I did come out here and use the water hose and tried to wash it off. And I put that chair over. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that chair's blew it down there. So I had that chair out already, but it is done blew it over. So the pool is the rails is all done now. We got rails all around the pool. Gotta get the pressure washer out here, but it's still a little chilly here. Still a little chilly. We got to come out here and then clean. I had this put out a few seconds ago and the wind blew it over. So this is now complete here. So y'all see that? I gotta clean up my trash down there. Gotta clean up the trash, but that's all right. That's all right. Hey, y'all saw it when there was no pool at all, and now you saw the little baby pool that I put up there and how that collapsed the deck over. So we went from that to this, and guess what, y'all? I'm grateful. So I'm gonna start putting my flowers down here. You know the season. These are my daffodilias or something, whatever you call them. But start getting this thing. I'm gonna start putting my flowers out here. Man, it's gonna be a beautiful summer. I can't wait. I can't wait. Me and Charles gonna have a ball this summer, baby. We got family reunion. We got mom celebrating mom's birthday in July. You know, I miss you, mama. God knows I miss you, girl. I miss my daddy. Happy birthday, daddy. I love you, man. I love you, Pop. Today you be 94 years old, and I miss you, Malcolm Taylor Sr. I miss you, man. But I thank God for you giving me life, and I'm just making now the returns that you have deposited into my life, Dad. I love you, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to go there. I miss my daddy and my mama. But listen, y'all, I'm checking out of here today. Y'all have seen now, I have completed the rails around my deck. I use composite decking. All of this came from Home Depot. Y'all have seen what I've done before. So y'all have seen it. Once again, can let y'all see past this right here. You can't see over there. Can't let you see all that just yet. But it's now done. It's done, baby. It's done. It's done. You can't see that. I give you a little sneak peek. See sneak peek right there? You get a little sneak peek. That's all you get, a little sneak peek. But you'll see that video coming out soon. So once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride Homestead. I hope today's video inspires you to work around your place. I hope it helps you to come up with some ideas to make your place. I hope it comes with you some ideas to help you motivate your place. Come on, man. We can do this, man. It's all about love, peace, and soul. Man, I'm excited. Hey, my cousin just told me, shout out to the people who need some work done around their area, a local area. We got you. We coming. Come on, Dion. We coming. Hey, I thank y'all so much. I love y'all, man. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be hype. I can only do it in portions, guys. I can't let y'all see the whole video. I can't let y'all see it. I can't, because it's going to be amazing. I promise you. I love y'all. Peace, baby.